Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Phantom Wallet extension on your Chrome or other web browser. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Google Chrome or other web browser that supports Chrome extensions. After opening it up, just use the search box to search for Chrome extensions, and then you can click on the Chrome Web Store page for extensions. Now, once you are within the extensions page, just type in Phantom Wallet and start your search. Once you find the Phantom Wallet extension, go ahead and click on it, and then click on Add to Chrome. After you confirm by clicking on Add Extension, the Phantom Wallet extension will be installed on your device right away. Once the installation is done, you will be taken into your Phantom Wallet account right away. You can tap on the Extensions button at the top right corner and pin the Phantom Wallet so that it will be visible at all times. And from here, you will be able to access your wallet from your web browser. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Chrome extension for Phantom Wallet within your web browser. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.